All right, so the way we all shop online is on the verge of a massive, massive shift, and it's all being driven by AI. We're talking about a move to agentic commerce, a future where our AI assistants don't just find information for us, they can actually buy things for us. But for that to happen, the entire e-commerce world needs a new, universal language.
I mean, you've probably wondered this, right? It seems so simple. You just ask your AI to order a pizza or book a flight. But right now, getting that seamless experience is incredibly difficult to pull off. And the reason why is this hidden complexity buried deep inside our current e-commerce infrastructure.
So this is what the industry calls the N times N integration bottleneck. Just try to picture it. You have hundreds, maybe thousands, of businesses all trying to connect to hundreds of different AI platforms. Think about your smart speaker, your phone's assistant, even the AI in your car. Every single one of those connections needs its own unique, custom-built integration. It creates this tangled, chaotic web that just slows everything down and makes seamless, AI-powered shopping pretty much impossible. So to solve this absolute integration nightmare, a new standard was created. The idea was to build a kind of universal translator for the entire world of commerce, and it's called the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UCP for short. The best way to think about UCP is like a shared language. Instead of every single business and AI platform needing a custom translator for every single conversation, UCP just collapses all of that complexity. It creates one single standardized protocol that everybody can speak, which radically simplifies the whole process. And this slide just perfectly lays out the difference. We're moving from that chaotic many-to-many nightmare, which is complex, slow, and super expensive, to this clean, simple, single integration model. A business hooks into UCP just one time and bam, it can instantly connect with every single AI shopping experience that also speaks this universal language. Okay, so how does this protocol actually work? To really get why it's so powerful, we've got to look at its core architecture, the blueprint that makes this whole thing possible. These are the basic building blocks that make UCP so powerful and so flexible. So you've got capabilities. Those are the basic actions, like checking out. Extensions are like add-ons, things like applying a discount. Then there's the discovery mechanism, which lets an AI just ask a business what it can do. And multiple transports just give it flexibility in how they all talk to each other. Now, this is the really key part. A business just has to publish a standard, simple file. This file basically acts like a public menu. It allows any AI agent to dynamically figure out exactly what services, what capabilities, and what payment options a business supports, all without any hard-coded custom integration. It's brilliant. All right, so theory is great and all, but seeing this protocol in action is what makes its elegance so clear. Let's just walk through a real transaction to see how all these pieces come together. A transaction follows 4 really clear logical steps. First, the AI discovers what the business can do. Then, it creates a checkout session with the products you want. After that, it can update that session, maybe add another item or apply a coupon, and then finally, it finalizes the whole purchase. So just imagine you ask your AI assistant to buy a bouquet of red roses. The agent finds a flower shop that supports UCP, and it kicks off the transaction by creating a checkout session with that bouquet in the cart. The shop immediately confirms the initial price, $35. Simple enough. But your AI knows you have a 10% off coupon, so it uses the UCP discounts extension to update the session and apply that code. And boom. Just like that, the total is instantly recalculated. The entire interaction, from adding the item to applying the discount, it all happens programmatically in real time. And the best part? You never have to leave your chat with the AI. So this elegant technical solution has absolutely massive implications for the entire e-commerce landscape. This isn't just about making things a little more convenient, it's about building the foundation for the next generation of commerce. And UCP creates value for the entire ecosystem. Businesses only have to integrate one time to reach everybody. AI platforms can easily turn on shopping for all their users. Developers get this powerful open standard to build on. And for us, the consumers, it just means a truly frictionless shopping experience, letting our AI assistants handle the checkout with the brands we already know and love. And this is crucial. This is not just some theoretical idea from one company. No way. The protocol has some serious backing from major players all across retail, technology, and finance, all working together to build this universal standard. I mean, with names like Shopify, Walmart, Visa, and Stripe all involved in developing and endorsing it, USCP is really positioned to be the definitive standard. This level of industry-wide collaboration, from retail all the way to payments, is what gives it its real power.
So the crucial point to take away is this. UCP is the foundational layer for the next era of e-commerce. By creating a single shared language, it just removes all the friction that's been holding AI back. It's what will finally make automated, intelligent purchasing a widespread reality. One protocol to connect every business to every AI shopping experience. That right there is the power of UCP.